So anyway. Okay, but I'm filming you.
I do not consent.
Not consent is crazy. We are exploring a beach. There's the entrance right there. $6,786.
Wow.
Bet you didn't expect that much walking. Tomorrow's gonna be worse, I'm guessing.
For you, yeah.
But got my own watch. I'll show you it. Sorry, I'm covering it, but this is it.
Thanks to my awesome dad.
Okay, bud. My dad is awesome.
Bought me a smartwatch.
No parking anytime. So as you can see, I'm gonna jump over these rocks. Sorry if I'm filming the ground for half of it. Bang, I'm the king of the world. So there we go. Trash can. I'm not looking into this. Okay. Gonna have to wash that back for some reason. I actually made a friend with a stick and a rock here. Gilbert and Hilbert. You'll see them later in this video. I don't know. My dad thinks I'm crazy. I think myself too. Whoever is on the beach will not film them.
God, I gotta pee.
Shut up! So we are going to meet Gilbert and Hilbert. The stick is Gilbert. Rock is Hilbert. Yep. So this beach. Beautiful sunset. Film the ground for a second, guys. Sorry about that. People on the beach, I do not want to be recorded. What?
She probably smells like a hamster.
Why? I'm gonna throw a rock. What?
Poncho?
Oh, Poncho? Hello. We call him Pedro. Throw this rock. I did not get it, so I suck at filming. Gonna pick up a big one that would splash. This. Dang. Someone built a whole, I don't even know what this is, break wall? Let's go to the ledge, shall we? There's the ledge that we're going to. God, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you, bro.
Let's get it on video, okay? That's evidence, buddy.
Oh no! Not the evidence. Ready? Stop! You're on video. You're on video.
Not consent.
Anyway, let's go to the ledge.
We're on the ledge.
Nope. No, no. Dead fish screaming. Celsius bottle. As you can see, this beach is trashed. I made a stick friend, Larry. I don't know where he went. Well, all the way over to Canada. So that's cool.
Stay away from the water. There's no near left, you'll drop it in the water.
True. Should I throw the stick in?
No.
Why not? So, still here. We were here earlier. And, yeah, I don't know what that is. Okay. Rest in peace, Joseph Schuster. Don't know who that is. Looks like... Beautiful. Just so you know, this beach is in Lake Erie. Well, it's not a beach. What? 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 Where? Where? Larry? Bro, Larry! Speak to me, Larry! Speak to me! I'm a psycho. But anyway. Moon. Larry, we gotta hide you.
Huh.
Okay. What?
Somebody's gonna go to a home.
Geese. What?
And then it turns out you're really a 30-year-old dwarf.
Alright. Let's go.
Home?
No. Careful, there's a pipe.
I better hope nobody flushes.
Sure.
Come on.
Let me see what's in there. Oh. You do not want me falling in this dirty water.
No, we're going there.
Actually, why?
That's all like all road.
What?
That's all. No, let's go back. Come on.
Why?
Come
It's all what?
on. That's all cracked up down there, and there's like no ledge. I don't want you slipping.
Good. Smart decision by Dad. Careful for this pipe.
Just go. Come on.
W, Dad. Vape. Somebody hit their geek bar. We'll now be going to the upper ledge. Chat, will we make it out alive? Nobody's here. Literally, nobody's here.
Surprising for a Friday.
Yeah. Usually when we come here on Fridays, beach is busy and stuff. R.I.P. Joe. Joe. I gotta see Larry. Larry! Oh, of course they're hitting their geek bar. You're on recording, Buck. You're on recording, Bucka. Get out of here. Get out of here. care if he sees me. Why? Smell disgusting. I'm gonna record them. Oh my god. Fresh air. Smells like Sears at the McKinley Mall. Oh my god. Holy crap. If you did not see my McKinley, oh my god. Jesus. Jesus. If you did not see my McKinley Mall video, I suggest you go check it out. It is very cool. Show you all the insides of the store and stuff. Abandoned, closed. Maybe I'll do a part 2 going to every store and telling you what it was originally.
Yeah, wait for a swim, guys.
Yeah, guys. I'm gonna record you guys. Continue the walk. What? If you are this person, I feel bad for you. With the middle finger. Okay, I feel bad for you. I'm gonna look who that person is. See you guys later.